So if you've been having trouble falling asleep, waking up feeling groggy, not feeling energetic throughout the day, then you might want to keep watching this video because, like, me too. So I want to try out this product and see if it can help my life. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Oksana, also known as the Canadian Biohacker, and what I love to do in these videos is share new products and tips to help you live healthier and a more energized life for longer. But before we dive into this crazy video, I just want to ask that you follow and subscribe so you're always in the loop with the new products and tips that I'm sharing out. So today we're going to be unboxing another product that can help you with sleep, and as a long-time insomniac, I think I've tried like every sleep supplement and tip that's out there. I'm always trying to optimize my sleep. And here it is right here. This is the Ayo light-based energy wearable, and you can see that it won the 2018 Travel Retail Award and the Red Dot Award as well, which is an international design award. So I mean, I'm excited to try. This product has been like winning awards everywhere. So let's check it out. So in this video, we're gonna talk about how this works, what's the science behind it. We're gonna unbox this little device right here, and we'll see how it actually looks like. It looks pretty cool. So let's get to it. So first things first, what is this thing? So the Ayo Wearable was designed in Germany, and these are basically like glasses, but without the actual lenses that you wear on your face, and they shine a blue light directly into your eyes in order to boost energy, improve sleep, and beat jet lag. If you've been traveling through time zones, like I'm kind of jealous and I want to live vicariously through your life, so please tell me where you want. Anyways, so this wearable does all these great things by working on your body's internal clock or your body's circadian rhythm. Now, a quick word on circadian rhythm and why you should care. So there have actually been numerous clinical studies in the magical field of chronobiology. Okay, it's not magical, but it's pretty cool. These studies have shown that we can actually actively manage our circadian rhythms to optimize our sleep and energy levels. Another fun fact, in 2017, the Nobel Prize for Physiology was awarded to 3 scientists who discovered the molecular mechanisms by which circadian rhythm actually works. So what is the circadian rhythm? Basically, our internal clock is governed by a 24-hour light and dark cycle that tells our bodies when to be awake, when to be asleep, when certain biological processes should be happening in our bodies. So it's pretty important because it kind of governs our entire life. Now, minor problem with today's lifestyle is that we spend so much time indoors in artificial light that our bodies just simply don't get enough of a natural signal from the sunlight during the day about when it's the right time to be super awake and energized. And then at night, there's too much artificial light, so our bodies are like, okay, like it's time to still be awake. Meanwhile, they should be powering down and going to sleep. So as a result, many of us don't feel enough energy during the day, and then at night, we feel too much energy and we can't wind down and go to sleep properly. And that's exactly where products like this one come in and are trying to help us fix our circadian rhythm. So let's get to the science behind how this device works. So similar to sunlight, the Ayo Wearable uses the right wavelength of light, which has been clinically shown to be the most effective to reset our circadian rhythm. Now, the blue light enters your eyes and it sends a signal into what's called your photosensitive ganglion cells. Now, these photosensitive cells then send a signal to an area in the brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which then suppresses the production of melatonin, which is the sleep hormone. So as a result, the immediate effect of wearing this device is that you feel more energized, and then down the line, it helps you reset your circadian rhythm with regular use. Okay, that's it for my science talk, my little spiel. Let's get to actually unboxing this Ayo Wearable. As you can see, this is the lovely box that it comes in. Very simple, white design, more information on the back. I'm like having major trouble trying to fit myself and this box into the camera screen. So we're gonna work with this. So this comes with one wearable, one case, and a USB cable as well. And we'll see that in the box shortly. But I just wanted to point out, I found this really funny. You can't really see in the camera, but they basically state that the phone doesn't come with the wearable. So yeah, don't expect an iPhone to come in the box as well. Okay, so let's unbox this device. Okay, so opening it up. Oh, this is kind of cool. So it has like 3 quick steps. Install the app, it says, then pair it with the wearable and start using. So 3 simple steps. I like that. So this is it. This is what it looks like. So it kind of looks like a big blue and white pill. And then the fun part, let me just take it out without breaking it. I think if you've been watching my other unboxing videos, I'm always like trying not to break the product as I open it because I'm just like the clumsiest person ever. So it's always a possibility, but this is what it looks like. So it is flat on the bottom, so you can like put it down. So you see on the back of the case right here, this is the charging port, and this is the battery signal or battery life indicator. So you just plug it in like this and put the case down and wait for it to charge. So yeah, this wearable is kind of interesting because you have to actually like put the glasses into the case and just put it down like this, and the glasses charge inside the case. So if you were to travel with these, you would just bring the case with you. I will say that the case is a little bit large. I think I would have wished this to be a little bit smaller to travel with, just because I don't know. I know me, I always overpack. So if I want to bring some kind of device, like I kind of want it to be as small as possible and take up as little room as possible so I can just pack more stuff. But I tend to overpack, so maybe that's just me. So just to finish up, what else came in the box? As promised, on the back of the box, we got the glasses, we got the case. It also comes with a little instruction manual that's kind of stuck in there. I don't want to rip the box. Oh, see right here? Typical. So you got the little instruction manual that tells you how to use the device, and you also got the USB cable to actually charge it. So I'm going to charge this up and try on the glasses. BRB. Okay guys, I'm back. This is me wearing the charged up Ayo Wearable. Pretty cool, you can see the blue light right there. So it's shining a blue light directly into my eyeballs right now, and I picked the energy boost setting. So let me back up a little bit here. So when you charge up the device, in order to set it up, you download the Ayo Wearable app, and then once you set up your profile, you can select between 3 settings. There's sleep, there's energy boost, and travel if you want to be jet lagged. So I picked the energy boost setting, and it allows you to select between like low, medium, and a super high energy boost, I guess. So I picked the low. It's like middle of the afternoon right now, and I'm feeling pretty energized, to be honest. So I picked the low energy boost, which was only 20 minutes. So you select that one, and it's like a 20-minute session duration right now. So I'm doing the low energy boost, and I gotta say, I mean, like in daylight, it's not really, again, if you look straight ahead, then you can see the blue light for sure. But if you're just kind of on your computer or looking around, and it's not really distracting, I feel like I need some beats right now, like some techno beats, you know? I feel like I need to try these when I'm feeling really groggy and exhausted, because right now I'm feeling pretty energized. So I'm gonna be like bouncing off the walls at the end of this session. Watch out, world. Overall thoughts though, I mean, these are pretty easy to just kind of throw on in the morning or even throughout the day, and just go about doing whatever you need to do. They don't really obstruct your vision in a way that you can't do stuff. Like I can still see below, you know? It's just like when you look straight ahead, there's a little blue line, but no biggie. Especially if you're typing on your computer or you're just kind of doing stuff around the house, this would be pretty easy to just kind of walk around in. So this is it. Like, what do you think? I think these look really awesome. Like anything futuristic, I'm really into. So I'm digging this look. I probably look really ridiculous, but I'm really digging this look. And that is it. Thanks so much for tuning in for this unboxing video for the Ayo Energy Wearable. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to Canadian Biohacker on YouTube. And check out the Instagram as well, because I put out a lot of my daily tips and things that I'm trying out on the day-to-day there as well. So leave me a comment. Would love to hear from you. And until next time, friends, thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.